Alright, I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light on your Lexus RX350. This is a 2019 model, but I know it works for 2017 and up. The following steps actually work for that as well, okay? So let's turn the car back off. Okay, I'm going to turn the car back off. So first step you want to do is press that twice, but take your foot off the gas pedal. Okay, if you do that, it's going to turn on the car. You want to just turn on the car, but without starting the car. So you're going to have to press it twice. Okay, now the car's turned back on again, and you're going to see this warning light again. So first thing, you turn on the car. Turn on the car, but not without starting the car. Okay, so now you go back to this meter control switches. So you're going to press on this return arrow. When you press that, you're going to see that. Okay, let me do that, and then you're going to keep pressing. See, after the maintenance require a warning, big little hazard button toggle, you press one more time, you're going to see the setting. So vehicle setting. Okay, you won't find vehicle setting right away. It's going to look like this. Okay, you skip. Now you're going to keep this button. You're going to scroll down and keep scrolling down, and you will see vehicle setting. Okay, you're going to press on vehicle setting with this center button, the enter button, and then you're going to scroll down again. Use the scroll button. Okay, you're going to scroll down button, and then you're going to find schedule maintenance, and then you press enter again, the middle button. It's going to ask you if you want to reset data. Yes, I'm going to want to reset data, and I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to press enter, and then now it is done. It's okay, all the data has been reset. You won't get that light again. Okay, so you guys any questions or any comment, please leave it down below, and thanks so much for watching, and appreciate if you click on the like button and little subscribe button for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.